right? How do we convert an expression from infix to postfix? By using all these rules. So before I go for this, I'll just take some small expression and I'll explain you the conversion of expressions. That is what we are studying in this unit bit here is infix to postfix conversion. Because we know what is infix expression. Infix is something like this, a plus b. Postfix means ab plus. And one more notation was prefix. In prefix notation, what happens? First operator will come, then the two operands will come. These were the expressions. Now we have to see how to convert the expressions from infix to postfix. Say, let us say I'll first take simple example, a plus b. So how do you convert this expression to postfix? This is infix, this is postfix form. First write both the operands. What are both the operands which are adjacent to the operator? First write first operand and write it. Then take second operand, write it. Then take the operator and write ab plus. This simple way for converting from infix to postfix. Now if I have something like this, a plus b minus c. Now this is where some complication comes. So what you have to do here is you have to decide the priority of the operator. Plus has more priority or minus has more priority. Both are having same priority. Like I'll come back to this table. Once you practice, you may not go for that table again and again. Yes, you can see here. Plus and minus, they are having same precedence value. Plus and minus, they are having same precedence value. What is that precedence value? Binary and binary minus, they are having same priority and they are being evaluated from left to right. So when there are two operators which are having same priority, then we go from left to right because there will be conflict. What you should do first, whether you should evaluate a plus b first or b minus c first. In this case, we will go to this table and take the help. What it says, when there are two with the same priority, just go from left to right. That's it. We will go from left to right and evaluate it as per the associativity rules. So when you go from left to right, this will be evaluated first. So what is the outcome of this? Just to evaluate this sub expression from this entire expression, just to evaluate this sub expression, you just concentrate on this. How do you convert this to postfix? First write this operand and then this operand. Write a, then b, then write the operator plus ab plus. So this has been evaluated to postfix. Then write this remaining expression as it is, minus c. Now what happens in this expression? This becomes one operand and c becomes another operand. We have two operands now. And this must be converted to postfix. How do you convert to postfix? What is the procedure? Write the first operand first. Write this operand. This is operand 1. This is operator. And this is operand 2. What is the procedure for conversion? First we write operand 1. What is operand 1? So this entire thing will become operand 1 now. What is that? AB plus. Write it as it is. AB plus is operand 1. Then write the second operand. C. Then write the operator minus. So this has been successfully converted to postfix form. This has been successfully converted to postfix form. Right? So I'll take one more example. One more example for conversion from infix to postfix. So A star B plus C. This is one infix expression. This is one infix expression. A star B plus C is one infix expression. Now, can someone tell me what will be the postfix form of this? Can anyone tell the postfix form of this expression? Whatever expression I have given, A star B plus C is the expression. Can anyone tell the postfix expression? What will be the postfix for this? Unmute yourself and speak. Are you able to? Yes. Unmute.
AB asterisk C plus.
What is that? AB
Asterisk C plus.
AB star C plus. So this is one answer what someone has told, right? So why can't it be like this? Why can't we go for this one first? Why? Because star has high priority than plus. What we do first, we evaluate this one and make it postfix form. So then first write this operand A, then write B, then take the operator star C. Then this entire thing will become one operand. Then write plus C as it is. Plus C as it is. Then this expression should be converted. What is that? Operand 1 and this is operand 2. How do you convert this to postfix? Write first operand A B star, then take second operand, then write the operator. So this is what is in its postfix form. This is written in its postfix form. We are just taking the priority values. Now I'll take one more example. Infix. If this is something, if the same expression is like this, A plus B star C. So what will be the postfix form for this? Any answers? Postfix form for this expression now. Here the priority changes now. When there are two operators, you have to look for the priority. So as per this table, see here. How many operators we have here? We have one plus operator, another one is star operator. Go for the priority and check the precedence. What is that? Star and plus. What is the priority of star? Priority of star is 13. What is the priority of plus? Precedence of plus is 12. So 13 is more than 12. So we are first giving priority to star. We should give first priority to star. So what I will do, as per that priority or precedence, first this sub expression will be evaluated. What it becomes? B C star. Then write the remaining expression as it is, A plus BC star. Now this entire thing will become one operand and this will become another operand. This will become operand 1 plus operand 2. How do you convert it to postfix? What is the simple form? Write the first operand as it is. What is first operand? A. So take and write it as A. What is second operand? BC star. Write BC star. Then what is the operator? Plus. Plus, write it here. So this is in its postfix form. Fix. This is stored in its postfix form. Right? This is what is the conversion of expression from infix to postfix. So I'll take one more example because if we solve more examples, it will be easy. Now, when I have some expression like this infix form, that is A star B star C. When I have the same operators, as such thing is over. Probably yes, you have solved this. What we'll do, we'll go from left to the right and we'll evaluate this. Now what I will do, instead of this, I'll take something like this. A star B minus C division D, right? A star B minus C division D. Now, when you look at this star and division, they both are having same priority. Go to table and check, see here. Star and division, they both are having same priority. That means first I should solve star and division. But when there are two operators with the same priority, what is the associativity? You go from left to right. So what it says, you go from left to right. That means first give priority to this star. First give priority to this star. So what happens? I'll be solving this. So what I will be writing? A, B star. Write the two operands, then write star. Then this minus C division D, keep it as it is. Right? Then this entire thing is one operand. This is another operand and this is another operand. Now when we have two operands, three operands and two operators. This is operand 1, operand 2 and operand 3. What are the operators left out now? See, once you convert that to postfix, you should just simply ignore this star. Why? Because now this will become as operand itself, that will get merged into an operand. You should not concentrate more on that. Now, when I have minus and division, which is having highest priority among minus and division. So obviously we have minus with the highest priority. I'll go back to table. Minus, division has highest priority than the minus. That means I should be able to solve this first. So what happens now? This AB star as it is, this minus you write as it is, then solve this sub expression. Convert that to postfix. How do you convert? Write the two operands CD, then slash. After this, what happens? This becomes as a small sub expression, one operand, and this is another operand. We have two operands now and one operator. Convert that to postfix. How do we convert? Write the first operand AB star, then write second operand CD slash, then write the operator minus. And this is in its postfix form. This is in its postfix form. Right? Now I'll take some complicated example which is present in this. Right? So let us take this expression with the parenthesis. Because when we have brackets, again the priority will be differing because we have to solve the brackets first. We have to solve the brackets first. Right? This is the expression what we should solve. This is the expression what we are supposed to solve. Convert this expression from infix to postfix. So I will try to rewrite this expression for your reference. Right? A plus bracket B minus C star D, then power operator E plus F, and again we have bracket. So when you have brackets, we know that we should first give priority for the brackets. I think again and again I need not come to this. See here, brackets are highest priority because what the rule says, bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. First you try to solve the brackets, like same what you do in the mathematics. First we'll solve the inner brackets. So first you solve the innermost bracket. Among all these, what is the innermost bracket? Innermost bracket is this one. That means that must be solved first. No matter what star plus power are having priority, because minus is the operator which is having less priority than the star. But still I am solving this B minus C. Why? Because that is present within the bracket. Bracket has highest priority. So this will get solved first. What I will do, keep the remaining as it is, A plus, only solve this. So what it will become? Take the first operand B, then write the second operand, then write minus BC minus. And when you are converting the expression from infix to postfix, you should just remove the brackets. Bracket should not be there. Once you solve the bracket, just ignore them. Then this entire thing will become one operand. Then write the remaining part as it is, star D, and this bracket as it is, power E plus F. I have solved the inner bracket. Then what is the next bracket? This is the inner bracket, as you can see. This is opening here and closing here. This is the next inner bracket. But within that bracket, we have three operands. What are the three operands? A is one operand, D is one operand, BC minus is another operand. So we have three operands and two operators. What are the two operators? Plus and star are the two operators. When we have two operators, plus and star, which is having highest priority, we know that star is having highest priority. That means first you solve this sub expression. So what I'll do, I'll keep the bracket as it is. Still we are not removing that bracket. A as it is, then plus as it is. Try to solve this. How can we solve that? Write this first operand as it is. What is that? BC minus. Then write this D as it is. Then write this star. BC minus star. Now this entire thing will become one operand. Right? Keep this bracket as it is. Power E plus F. Right? What is the next step? Again, we should solve this inner bracket now. Now, in the inner bracket, what we have is one operand A, another operand is, this entire thing will become one operand now. What is that? BC minus D star. This entire thing is one operand now. How do you solve the postfix expression? First, keep the, now we are solving the inner bracket completely and we'll be ignoring these brackets. We'll be removing these brackets. Write the first operand what? A as it is. Then write the second operand B C minus D star. Then write this operator plus. Then write this operator. So once you solve the bracket completely, we will be removing the brackets and just underline for our understanding purpose. You need not underline this, but for explanation purpose, I am drawing it like this. This entire thing will become one operand now. Then as this bracket is removed, write the power operator here, E plus F. Next, we have the last bracket left out. In that one, we have one operand, another operand, and another operand. So what we have here is 3 operands we have and 2 operators. This is operand number 1, operand number 2, and operand number 3. 2 operators, power operator and plus operator. When we have 2 operators, which is having highest priority, power operator is having highest priority. Should I go back to table to show you? Right, size of, see in this list, power operator is not there. Power operator is beyond all. So power operator will be evaluating first. Power operator will be evaluating. See in this table, I'll clarify that also. There is it here. It is shown here. It is bitwise XOR. Same notation being used. But if it is power, that will be clearly indicated. Just to differentiate this one only, we'll be using dollar. As I said, this power will be sometimes used with the dollar, just to avoid the confusion. Now it is power operator and it is plus. We know that power has highest priority than the plus. So first let us solve this sub expression. Keep this plus f as it is. So what I will do? First write this first operand. What is that first operand? Write it as it is. ABC minus D star plus. Then write second operator E. Then write this operator power. Once you write this, just underline it for better understanding. This whole thing will become one operand now. Then write this as it is plus F as it is. Now we have 2 operands. This is entire thing is one operand and this is another operand and this is one operator. Now we have only 2 operands and one operator. Directly convert that to postfix and remove all the brackets. So how do you convert? First write the first operand ABC minus D star plus E cap. Then write the second operand F, then write the operator plus. So this is in its postfix form. That is ABC minus D star plus E cap F plus. ABC minus D star plus E cap F plus. Right? ABC minus D star plus E cap F plus. We have got the postfix form. This is one more example. You can try it out. Very simple power operator, but what we do here is we will go from right to left. So just for explanation purpose, right associativity we have taken it because power operator will evaluate from right to left. So what we do here is in this case, first we solve from right to left, then we evaluate YZ cap, then XYZ cap, then remaining all same. Only thing is this is specifically here it is taken just to show that we will first evaluate YZ cap. I'm not writing XY cap. First we'll evaluate YZ cap. Why? Because this is having right associativity. This is having right associativity. This is what is conversion and the function programming part for this. Now in this class what we have seen was conversion of expression from infix to postfix.